The James Webb Telescope has quite recently uncovered the clearest picture of Proxima B in history, revealing surprising insights into a possibly habitable exoplanet. It compels us, as we embark on a journey through space, to uncover the secrets of Proxima B and see if it might truly be the next Earth. We should launch into the vast expanse of space, where a mysterious planet exists in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. This planet isn't just any normal rock, it's Proxima B, located a mere 42 light-years from us. This planet is shrouded in secrets and wonders. Could it be another Earth, with seas and life flourishing on its surface? At any rate, wait, there's something else. Proxima Centauri B isn't the only one in orbit around the red dwarf star. It has a companion, Proxima Centauri C. Who can say what other secrets this star system holds? Perhaps there's another companion that we have yet to discover. The mysteries don't stop there. Proxima Centauri receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Might this truly mean that there's water on its surface, and maybe even life? As we venture beyond our own solar system, we find an entirely different realm of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than the Sun. With 200 billion stars in the universe, the opportunities for exoplanets are endless. Some exoplanets even wander freely, untethered to any star, like wandering nomads in space. Among them, Proxima Centauri B stands out as a particularly striking and intriguing planet, with a year that lasts only 112 Earth days and a distance from its star that is generally closer than Earth is to the Sun. Without a doubt, one side of the planet is constantly bathed in sunlight while the other remains in eternal darkness. Now, we should discuss Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B orbits. Proxima Centauri is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system. This system includes Rigil Kentaurus, also known as Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, together. These stars form the closest star system to our own solar system. Rigil Kentaurus and Alpha Centauri B create a binary system known as Alpha Centauri A and B. These G and K-type stars appear as one star in the constellation Centaurus and are the third brightest stars in our night sky, with a peak brightness of under 2.7. Proxima Centauri, also called Alpha Centauri C, is a red dwarf or M star found 21 light-years from the other two stars, typically many times the distance between Earth and the Sun. It is, in fact, the closest star to us. Proxima Centauri means the closest star in Latin and was discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn. Despite being our closest celestial neighbor, it isn't visible to the unaided eye, with an apparent magnitude of 11.13, which is much fainter than the human eye's limit of 6.5. However, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is still a star worth studying. Red dwarfs, like Proxima Centauri, are among the most efficient in terms of energy production. They may not produce a lot of energy, but the internal convection processes at their cores keep them shining for trillions of years. In fact, Proxima Centauri will remain a main sequence star for another 4 trillion years. Nonetheless, the habitability of a red dwarf star like Proxima Centauri is still debated. For one thing, it's a flare star, meaning it has regular and intense outbursts. As a low-mass star, its habitable zone would be much closer to it than the Sun's, projected to be somewhere between 0.23 and 54 cents. However, it's not as habitable as it seems. Proxima B is bombarded by intense ultraviolet radiation from its star, often stronger than the radiation we receive from our Sun. That's right. It's so intense that even the lightest molecules of hydrogen are stripped away, as well as nitrogen and oxygen. But that's not all. Just because a planet is at the right distance from its star doesn't mean it can support life. Proxima B might not have a stable atmosphere, which is essential for regulating temperature and maintaining a water-friendly surface. Without it, living organisms would be vulnerable to harsh space weather, making life exceedingly difficult. So, while Proxima B could appear Earth-like on the surface, it is far from being able to support life. People remain somewhat skeptical, as there are many factors that render it inhospitable. The mission to uncover the truth about Proxima B continues. Some individuals still hold hope. One instrument that has caught the attention of space experts is the James Webb Telescope. After years of anticipation, the telescope was finally launched in 2018 and will help us determine if there is life on Proxima B. As with everything in science, things are never quite as clear as they seem. Various adjustments were needed to ensure that the James Webb Telescope delivered accurate images. As Abby S. Wolf, a theoretical physicist at Harvard, explains, if a planet like Proxima B can absorb light from its star, it can also emit it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope was specifically designed to detect infrared light. It can capture images of this light from the planet's surface and search for patterns that could confirm the presence of water or an atmosphere. However, what if the planet has an atmosphere that is unsuitable for life? The presence of an atmosphere doesn't guarantee the presence of life, cautions Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton University. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick atmosphere that is typically denser than Earth's, coupled with extreme temperatures that would make it impossible for life to exist. The journey to unravel the mysteries of Proxima B isn't without its challenges. While the James Webb Telescope holds promise, there are other factors to consider. With costs mounting, space researchers are under pressure to find ways to observe planets like Proxima B. A lot is at stake, but the rewards are even greater. The opportunity to explore the unknown and uncover the secrets of a distant planet that holds the promise of life is a quest worth pursuing. If the exoplanet were habitable, might we one day visit it? It's the closest exoplanet to us, which makes it so intriguing, almost like exploring our vast backyard. Even more captivating is that it's nearly the same size as Earth, and its position in the habitable zone suggests it could indeed have conditions suitable for life. Proxima B's proximity also makes it an ideal target in our search for life beyond Earth. With it being so close, it's a fantastic candidate for interstellar missions. Imagine exploring this Earth-like exoplanet. Although we can't yet go there, it's certainly on the radar for future missions. As technology advances, it could be one of the most exciting endeavors in the field of space exploration. However, it's no simple task. It would take 75,000 years for a spacecraft like Voyager 2 to reach the Proxima Centauri system. A solution has been proposed: solar sails. These ultra-thin sails could be used to propel a spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system and Proxima nearby. This technology uses solar pressure to keep the spacecraft on course, eliminating the problem of running out of fuel. And here's something even cooler. This cutting-edge technology could provide insights into the possibility of life on other planets like Proxima B. Yet, just like with anything this ambitious, there are limitations. For instance, the presence of an atmosphere doesn't necessarily guarantee the presence of life. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick, scorching atmosphere that is unsuitable for life. Additionally, consider this. The James Webb Telescope can detect such emissions if it reaches a brightness of just 5% of the daytime side. Now, 5% might not seem like much, but when dealing with a star that is generally dimmer than our own sun, it's quite significant. If Proxima B has advanced civilizations that are illuminating its surface, they might be using bright orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight from the day side to the night side. How cool is that? There are countless exoplanets waiting to be discovered in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being massive gas giants, while others resemble our own Earth. But what do we know about them? One type of exoplanet that has captured the attention of space researchers is the gas giant. These planets are similar in composition to Jupiter and Saturn, but are much larger. Many of these behemoths have been dubbed super Jupiters, exceeding even the largest planet in our solar system. But that's not all. There are also hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit incredibly close to their host stars, existing in a scorching world with temperatures that could melt metal. Imagine seeing such a planet up close, with its furious storms and extreme heat. In addition to gas giants, there are also Neptunian exoplanets, which have sizes similar to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are warm Neptunes and mini-Neptunes, which are smaller and closer to their host stars than their gas giant cousins. These planets are often shrouded in mystery, with their atmospheres being difficult to study from afar. And we must not overlook the terrestrial exoplanets, which resemble our own Earth. These planets come in various sizes, ranging from smaller than our planet to twice its size. There are even super-Earths, which have masses over twice that of our planet, but are lighter than Neptune. One of the most intriguing exoplanets recently discovered is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the star of the same name. This planet is classified as a super-Earth, with an estimated mass of 7 Earth masses. Despite being close to its host star, it is still too far away to be considered within the habitable zone. Proxima Centauri b isn't alone. It has a companion, Proxima Centauri c, which orbits much farther from the star. This planet has an orbital period of around 5 Earth years and was discovered in 2020 using pre-recovery Hubble data. What's even more captivating about Proxima c is that it appears to be an extraordinarily bright world, potentially offering more clues about the dynamics of the Proxima Centauri system. As researchers continue to study this star system, they hope to gain insights into the formation and evolution of planets around red dwarfs. The ongoing exploration of exoplanets, especially those in the habitable zone of their stars, is crucial for understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. As technology improves, telescopes like the James Webb will provide a clearer picture of distant worlds, potentially revealing atmospheres, climates, and even signs of life. Each discovery brings us closer to answering the fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? The pursuit of knowledge about these distant exoplanets not only enriches our understanding of the cosmos, but also inspires future generations to explore and seek out the mysteries that lie beyond our own planet. The story of Proxima Centauri b and its companions is just one chapter in the ongoing quest to unlock the secrets of the universe. As we push the boundaries of our exploration, we remain hopeful that one day we may find life in places we have only dreamed of.